Yo, it's famous beat once again. So today I'll show you how to make objects move in CapCut like this. You can see. So let's assume that you want to work on a particular image like this one here, and you have the image in your file. You can drag it from here to the CapCut here, drag it to this place. You can see it's already here already. So because I've already done it already, I've already dragged all the image I'll be using for this video. So let me undo it with Ctrl Z. You can see. So this is the image I'll be working on. So let's assume I want to drag this particular image to this angle here. I'll just click on add keyframe. I'll click on add keyframe. I'll click on it. Click on it, you see. Then I'll drag this timeline to here like this. And I'll add keyframe again. Then I'll drag this logo to the angle you want to drag it to. So I want to drag it to this place. You can see. So after dragging it to this place, now you can see it's already animated. See now, you can see. Very simple. So let's assume that okay, that's coming now, and I want to drag it back. I can take this timeline to wherever I want to take it to. Then I'll click this position here. I'll add keyframe again. Then I'll drag it back to this particular place. You can see. Look at the magic. You can see. So it animates it to wherever I place it to go. So that is how this particular place works. So you can see. Let me try another icon. So let me drag another icon from here. So this I want to work on this Instagram logo. So I'll be dragging it to this CapCut here. I'll drag it to this. You can see. So I'll bring it to this place. So let's assume now. Let me turn off this one now. Let's assume that I want to take this particular icon to this place. I can actually do it. So I'll click on this particular place there. I'll click on this particular place here. Then I will drag it. Then I will drag it, and it will automatically add a keyframe to it. You can see. Look at it. You can see. So let's assume I want to drag it back. I can drag it back like this. Even though you didn't click this particular place, since you have already added keyframe to it at first, you can drag it. You can see. So I can take this timeline. Let me say I want to drag it back again. From here, I want to drag it to this particular my right side. I can drag it again, and it will automatically add keyframe again to it. You can see. You can see. So that is it for today. So try this simple animation trick in your next edit. Try it and see, and then thank me later. So guys, so this is it for today.